moving platforms. A common trope in any platform game is moving platform. You have platforms that move left and right and carry you over chasm, and you have platforms that move up and down and act like elevators. Essentially, need to modify this script so that we can stick to top of surface and travel with it. How might we do this? So basically there are two kind of platforms which move up and down like elevator, and left and right. The answer is that we need to make Kevin a child of the game object he is standing on. We are not only changing the script so that our character becomes a child of the platform when they come into contact with it, we are also adding another dimension of movement so that it can also move upward and downward. So here we are adding platforms. I also recommend that you create a new physics material 2D for the platform and set the friction to something high. This is to prevent Kevin from sliding too much on a platform, which looks a little odd in conjunction with the movement. It is also a good idea to use an edge collider and add a platform effector tick used by effector and use one way, and this will prevent our player from getting crushed by the platform or sticking to the side and moving as a child of the platform. That means we are creating friction high or low with regarding to that platform. These platforms actually they are game objects which moves right left up and down like elevator etc, and we can add different scripts like rigid body 2D to it. Collapsing platforms, these are the platforms that crumble underfoot when you land on them. So these are basically game objects with different scripts. That means these are colliding scripts. These platforms have gravity. These are the platforms that crumble underfoot when you land on them and thereby encourage you to run and jump quickly in order to avoid falling to your doom. That means in Mario game we have noticed that there are some tiles which fall when you jump on them. With this kind of thing, it is important that you communicate to the player the nature of the challenge that they are about to face. It is not fair to sucker punch your player by having a platform drop put underneath them without warning, and for that reason it is normally advisable to have a visual indicator that ground is not quite stable. So basically on these collapsing platforms we color them differently. So we add different color on them to visually appeal that they are not quite stable. We want platform tile to begin to crumble once we land on it. So we are going to create a new script called crumble. This script will simply start a timer as soon as the player touches the object, and then cause the object to fall and disappear once the timer has completed. So basically this is a new script called crumble which helps in collapsing that platform.